Welcome back. Tonight, let's journey to a quiet riverbank in early summer where tiny lights dance in the dark. Our first word means summer.
な、な、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
夏が来ました。
As the warm breeze rustles the tall grass, a gentle glow appears over the water. Our next word means firefly.
ほた、ほた、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
ホタルが飛んでいます。
For centuries, people have gathered by the river to watch this magical display, finding peace in the quiet night. Our next word means river.
か、か、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
川の音が聞こえます。
The soft, pulsing light of the fireflies reminds us to appreciate fleeting moments of beauty. Our next word means light.
ひか、ひか、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
優しい光ですね。
As the fireflies drift higher into the starry sky, their glow slowly fades into the darkness, leaving a sense of calm. Our next word means quiet.
静か、静か、静。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
夜はとても静かです。
May your dreams be as peaceful as a summer night by the river. Our final word is good night.
おやすみなす。おやすみなす。
Let's hear it one last time.
おやすみなさい。